Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download United application on a PC. To download the United application on a PC, you first need to download Web Catalog application. Open up a preferred web browser and at the address bar, type in webcatalog.io and click on Enter. Now, you need to click on Download Web Catalog Desktop, which is at the middle of your screen. Here, you can select the operating system and download for it. If it is a Windows, click on this button. If it is a Mac OS, click on this link, and if it is a Linux, click on this link. After clicking on these buttons, you will get a setup file. Click on the setup file and follow the instructions to install it. Now, you can find the application on your Start button or your home screen. Open up your application. Now, at the search bar, you need to type in the name of your application, which is United. Click on the app and click on Install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. So, that is how you can download United application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.